Here we go, guys. This is what we're working with today. We got the ACT clutch, heavy duty, 6-puck sprung, heavy duty clutch, Collins CNC machine flywheel, Collins adaptive kit, adaptive plate. It comes with the cross member and all the necessary hardware, labeled and everything with its own instructions, just so you could do this type of swap in any 240 SR20 powered with a 350Z transmission. Alright, first off, we're gonna take out the pilot bearing, pilot bushing. This is the old one. It's kind of worn out in the middle. And this is the new one. And if you buy the kit from ACT, all this comes with it. Just put it there. Any extractor will work fine. I use just this type. Just go in there, hook it, and then hit it through the back. But any extractor will do fine taking it out. Let me just find the driver. Too deep. Let me just make sure. Correction, 14 millimeter will work best. It worked better than the 15. 15 is right at the edge, 14 exact bench. And right here, the Scotch-Brite will work just fine. Just move out the edge so that this flywheel will slide right in. Before you install it, make sure you wipe down where the clutch is going to ride. You could use either a brake cleaner or any type of degreaser, but brake cleaner will work best. get my mallet real quick. So now guys, we're gonna install the manifold to the head, and after that we're gonna go straight with the turbo install to the manifold. Okay, we're gonna go with this exhaust manifold gasket. And then we're gonna put some copper spray, thin layer of copper spray. It's never a bad idea when there's a gasket to put copper spray so you can have extra seal, because you don't want any exhaust leaks. Just focus better with the camera. This is the nice part about putting gloves. You got copper spray on your fingers. For those that don't mind, I don't mind it too much, but alright. Now we got copper spray. Let it dry a little bit. Focus back. Smash the holes. Gasket is in. Now time for the manifold. The manifold we're using is a MassWorks manifold, external wastegate, top mount turbo. This is a product that you could get exclusively also from our shop, from Nippon Speed. And then this is what we're installing in this build. The back bottom two nuts are the worst. Just keep that in mind. But when you're installing this type of turbo exhaust manifold, just keep that part in mind, that the back two, compared to other manifolds, these are the worst. I already got most of them tight, just need these two. Ready? Yeah, we're almost done.